Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Out here getting my fire going this morning. Going to make one of my favorite camp recipes, really an anytime recipe for you guys today, and that's stuffed French toast. So I'm going to take you in, I'm going to show you how I mix this up, and we're going to cook it out here on the fire pit. Well, here's my ingredients for my stuffed French toast. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a loaf of unsliced bread. And what I have here is that cheap Walmart French bread. This is perfect for this. And then the ingredients for the stuffing, which are going to be bananas, brown sugar, and walnuts. I got about a half a cup of walnuts, about a half a cup of brown sugar, and I got 3 bananas here to start this out. And then my wet ingredients, what I'm going to put the French toast in. I got my eggs here and my milk, a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of cinnamon. And I'm going to actually start with about 3 eggs on this and about a half a cup of milk. And if I need to add a little more, I'm going to add a little more. But anyway, I'm going to start putting this stuff together here, and then I'm going to stop and I'm going to show you how I put the final assembly on this. All right, I got everything mixed up here. This is my half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of walnuts, and my bananas cut up. Now what you want to do is you want to let this set a little bit till it kind of gets sticky and it kind of holds itself together just like this. Now the French bread, I cut that in larger slices, and then I cut a notch in these pieces right here, and that's where I'm going to put my stuffing in. I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. You're going to open this up. I'm going to fill the inside of this up. You can pack it in just a little bit. Make sure that there's a good amount in there, just like so. Get that all in there. Kind of press it down just a little bit, and that's the first piece I'm going to make. I'm going to finish the rest of these. I'm going to take them out, put them in my wash here. My wash is my cinnamon, my vanilla, my eggs, and my milk, and then we're going to get it out on the griddle and on the fire pit. All right, I just flipped them. Got a good color on them on the outside. We're going to let them cook here a little bit and finish up. Then we're going to take them in the house. I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. And here's the final product. Give you a little look here what it looks like inside with a little maple syrup or regular syrup or a little honey. This is awesome. Just one of my quick campfire recipes here that I wanted to share with you guys. This is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are getting a little information, a little entertainment out of my videos, and you guys have a great day.